Good morning, student. Welcome to Abbas Quest. Dear student, I have brought to you a career-oriented program course that is Basics of Stock Market. In this course, we will learn basics aspect of stock marketing. What is stock market? What is stock? Which aspects are comes in stock marketing? How it works? How it governed? All the details are covered in this course. That is course is basics of stock market. Let's see module 1, introduction to Indian stock market. What is stock? A stock is a certificate representing partial ownership in company. That is partial ownership in company. It is a stock. It is one of the alternative resource of finance for company. Stock are issued by the company that needs a long-term funds. For long-term funds, companies require a stock. Importance of stock market. It's a leading indicator business cycle. For computing the business cycle of any company, its significance for company, that is stock market. A capital market serves as reliable guides to the performance and financial position of company, thereby they promote efficiency. For position, financial position of company, and its also importance. A near continuous valuation of company reflect the share prices. For the stock marketing, it reflect the valuation of company and imply the possibility of mergers and takeovers, the consecutive financial disciplines. Stock market promotes the growth through the creation of liquidity. It also facilitates the risk diversifications through the international integrations. Stock markets affects foreign investments. Another one is inflow in foreign equity through stock markets helps to avoid excessive reliance on debt, save firms from undue exposure and debt serving burden. The classification of stock market, there are two types of market segments in stock market. That's are first is primary market, it also called as new issue market, and second one is secondary market. And primary markets, that is new issue markets or additional capital companies. Secondary market, the security already issues or floated in new issue market and traded on the secondary market. That is secondary market, it depends on new issue market or primary market. Let's see classification of securities in stock market. First is ordinary shares, second is preference share. What is share? Share is a part of capital of company. Ordinary shares use the shareholder voting rights, and dividends payment is not mandatory. What is dividend? Dividends is a form of income that shareholders of corporation receive for each share of stock that they sold. That is dividend. And preference shares, they are fixed dividend payments, no voting rights, has a priority to right to the repay the company become insolvent. There are different types of preference shares, that is commutative, non-commutative, convertible, non-convertible. They are converts in other, that is convertible. They are not easily convert, that is not convertible preference shares. Convertible shares can be converted into ordinary shares in terms of conditions fixed at the times of issue of such shares. Also there are types of another types. One is redeemable and not redeemable. A redeemable preference share matures in the fixed period time. It regarded a debt security like debenture, participating and non-participating. Also are types of preference shares. Let's see primary market. Initial public offering, that is IPO. It's a selling the security for the first time of company. What is company? Company means by any association of person registered under the present or previous Companies Act, that is company. In their first time, it sells its security, that is called IPO, that is initial public offering. And another concept is FPO, that is follow on public offer. It is defined as a process by which a company which is already listed on the exchange. It has also right issue in primary market, bonus issue. What is bonus issue? When a issuer makes an issue of security to its existing shareholder as on a record date without any consideration from them, it is called bonus issue. Private placement. What is private placement? When the issuer makes a issue all securities to the select group person not exceeded by 49, that is private placement. Importance of IPO market. It's increasing visibility, greater transparency, raising capital, enhancing profitability, better corporate governance. These all are importance of initial public offering market. Conditions for issuing IPOs. In which condition company offers IPO? These are entry in all form, net tangible assets of least rupees 3 crores in last preceding three full years. Another condition is distributable profits in at least 3 of immediately preceding 5 years. Another condition is net worth of at least rupees 1 crore. And if the company has changed its names within the last 1 year, at least 50% of revenue for the preceding 1 year should be from activity suggested by New Year. And all these conditions are when company issues its IPOs. Thank you. See you in next lecture.